I got 2S in this, and the 2S LiPo battery, and the 4000 kV HPI motor on 2S. Just testing it out outside my house, man. It's done dark already, you know what I mean? There don't seem to be any cogging in it. I'm not even sure how this truck's supposed to sound, man. I'm not going full throttle, by the way. I'm not really supposed to, I mean, I'm not sure how this truck's supposed to sound, man. It's sounding squeaky in that, man. As I said, I haven't driven this truck for a while, only till recent, you know what I mean? I had problems and shit with it. Yeah, I'm not even going full throttle, man. Just basically cruising, man. Not enough space here. So, just basically testing it out and running down a 67% battery and shit. So, yeah, as I say, it's still sounding a bit squeaky and shit, but I don't know. The spur seems alright, I think. The mesh, otherwise it would have stripped by now. So I can't even go full throttle here because there's not enough space, and I don't want to crash into shit. The neighbours complaining. So seems to be running alright, besides the squeakiness. But there's no cogging. It does seem to be cogging and shit. You know what I mean? The 4000 kV motor on it. I might just strap a 3S battery in it and speed run it 3S maybe tomorrow or something. Or 2S even, I don't know. I'll see. Maybe 2S, probably get maybe 24 miles an hour or something, man. Yeah, I'll run it 3S, man. As I say, I've got a 2S battery in it at the moment. You know what I mean? Just running down the 67% battery power left in the battery, isn't it? So yeah, that was near enough full throttle. Oh, that was kind of full throttle. 2S. That's full. That was full. That was full throttle. Yeah, full throttle. As I say, sounding squeaky, man. That was full. Yeah, I kind of getting full throttle now, man. Maybe the battery's wearing down. So that's full. That's full. Ooh! Almost hit it. Almost hit that chair down there, man. Oh! Yeah, I think I'll leave this video here now. Battery, run down the battery a bit. Yeah, I'm kind of going full throttle now. Before, I couldn't go full throttle. Maybe the battery is running low. But there don't seem to be no cogging, man. There's no cogging and shit. Oh, shit. There's the flower pot there, man. There's no cogging in that. The front of it's probably a bit wet. Fucking flower pot. Hit the flower pot. It's just a bit noisy. There's no cogging. I mean, I push full throttle and it's not cogging. It's not stalling. You know what I mean? I'm pressing the throttle, and no, there's no stalling. Oh shit! I'm starting to hit stuff now, man. Only when you start, you press the full throttle, and it's just sounding croaky. It's not like cogging. It's just sounding croaky. I'm just cruising, by the way. It's not the battery. I'm just, you know what I mean? I don't want to go full throttle and talking and crashing and shit. But leave it there with this vid, man. I've been out here 5 minutes and it's cold. But yeah, seems to be running alright with that HPI motor and shit. 4000 kV HPI motor. Yeah, HPI flux motor I've got in it. Let me just show if it light will show up. Yeah, it's got the flux motor in it. See the flux motor. So anyway, leave it there with this vid.